did the government award these pandemic contracts to Pharmaly knowing they were linked to Yang? Was the Yang connection what led to these contracts in the first place?
No, kasi alam ko yung proseso ng DBM miski they are availing of Bayanihan 1. Humihingi yan ng quotes from multiple sources. And the basis of quotes submitted, dun sila magdedesisyon kung kanino ibibigay. So hindi ibig sabihin na palibasa wala ng bidding ay hindi sila humingi ng multiple quotes. I have personal knowledge na talagang humihingi sila ng ganyang mga quotes. No? At binigay nila sa pinakamababa na 1.7. Well, ultimately, it's the price and the specification that matters. Sa presyo po ang labanan, kahit sino ka man. Unfortunately, wala pong ibang kumpanya na makakabigay ng 1.7. And again, I will repeat, one company that I've represented in the Supreme Court, and it's in the SCRA, no, wanted to join pero talagang suko sila dahil hindi nila makuha yung 1,700. Wala pong kinalaman ang mga personalidad. Ang tinignan, presyo at saka yung kwalidad.